so today I'm here with my sister, and as you can see, we have matching bracelets. And say hi.
Hi.
Her name is Vedika, and today we're gonna be testing if our slimes are store bought or homemade. You have to guess. So this is the first slime. Don't judge it by its color. Let's open it. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Ooh, so pretty. So we have some sparkles, some glitter, like basically everything a slime should have. So let's take it out. As you can see, my sister is also digging it. Oh, there are two colors. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing it, and we're gonna be mixing it. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, guys. Let's hope for a good color.
Yeah, let's hope for a good color.